Orders are stacking up, but you can't keep pace with demand. Scaling production feels overwhelming, threatening to lose customers and growth opportunities. This issue triggers as sales surge, exposing limits in your setup. Motivation is to meet needs without chaos, yet you need help expanding manufacturing smoothly. PreEmpt.Life delivers decision intelligence for this exact challenge. Our Strategic Foresight tools develop scalable strategies based on future market demands. With PreEmpt, you forecast growth and plan capacity boosts. We analyze trends and supply chains, suggesting efficient scaling methods. AI simulates scenarios, ensuring your expansion is smart and sustainable. Businesses use PreEmpt to scale seamlessly, turning demand into delivered success. Think ahead and build a resilient operation. PreEmpt.Life helps you adapt, lead, and thrive. Check out PreEmpt.Life today and scale your production with ease. Explore tomorrow with PreEmpt, your guide to growth.